Hello everyone, Dave here from Showdown. Let's take a little walk around 2007 GMC Sierra. We got in two-wheel drive, short bed's been lowered. It's got a newer style set of 22-inch wheels on it. Got a great look to it. Really runs and drives nice. Air conditioning blows ice cold. It's got the 4.8 V8 in it, automatic overdrive. All your factory power options, windows, locks, power mirrors, factory CD player in it. It's got a Flowmaster exhaust system on it. Got a nice sound to it. Dual exhaust coming out the back. It's got the tinted taillight covers on it. Windows do have a slight tint as well. Truck's got a great look to it. Remote door poppers. The door handles have been shaved on the outside. Got a nice clean look to it. Really runs and drives nice. You got to be careful turning the wheel hard because it's got 22-inch wheels in the lowering kit, so take it easy on the hard turns and you're fine. All the factory jam stickers are in it. Beautiful interior throughout. Suede headliner in it. Got a good look to it. Tilt cruise, factory CD player in it. Wheels and tires are in beautiful shape. Someone's really taken good care of this truck with 25,000 miles on it. Nice and detailed under the hood. It's all factory 4.8 Vortec in it. Super clean engine bay, undercarriage just like the top side. Never been Z-barred or sprayed. All you see all the factory stickers on the frame still. Jump in it, turn the air on, and go cruise with it tonight. Any questions at all, our number is 586-791-0778, showdownauto.com. Thanks for watching. Take care.